Merry Christmas week, everybody. We are so excited. We want to tell you about all the gifts that we have in store for you. I'm Emily Pritt, and I'm here with Barb Carr for this edition of TapRooT TV. Barb, take it away and tell us what gift you have.
Well, I'm excited to talk about my gift. I'm going to be offering a free webinar in 2022, and it's called Investigating with Emotional Intelligence. If you've been to the TapRooT Summit, you might have attended my session about this, but the exciting news is it's online right now, so you can jump on the TapRooT store at taproot.com and register. And we're going to talk about a very important soft skill, and as I mentioned, that's emotional intelligence. And you just learn how to be more aware of your emotions, how to express your emotions, how to be more empathetic. So emotional intelligence is quite the buzzword, but it's an easy thing to develop and get better at. So I'm excited to offer that on March the 10th again. So please jump on the website and register.
Thank you, Barb.
You're welcome. And happy holidays, everybody.
Hey everyone, I'm Benna Hughes, and I just want to take a minute to thank all the clients I've worked with this year. I've worked with a lot of them that I've worked with for years, and some brand new this year, and I'm looking forward to the same thing next year to help you all with your program. So I just wanted to take a minute and say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and have a safe and wonderful Happy New Year.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's been a weird year again, and I appreciate all our customers and our clients and our friends out there giving us a lot of support, and us giving you support as necessary. We're looking forward to a great next year, and I just want to say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and looking forward to seeing you all this year.
Hello, TapRooT fans. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. This is Becky Marambio in the implementation group, and want to wish everyone a wonderful Christmas and happy holidays and all the best for 2022.
Tim Diggs, I echo the same. Happy holidays, and wishing everyone a happy, safe, and prosperous 2022.
Merry Christmas to everybody. I guess you might want to call me Santa Claus this year because I'm bringing all the gifts at the end. I've got 2 free webinars that I'm bringing you guys next year. The first is going to be on how conservative decision making changes safety culture. We've also got another free webinar on how there's no such thing as normalization of deviation. The abnormal is normalization of excellence, not the normalization of deviation. So we've got 2 interesting webinars that are focused on how do you get leadership to really change culture, and what really is culture in your organization. So those 2 are going to be really interesting free webinars. On top of that, we've got 2 new courses coming up in the TapRooT Summit. The first is our auditing course. So we've got a Using TapRooT for Auditing course. It's going to be a 2-day course led by Marcus. You saw him earlier there, wishing Merry Christmases. We've also got an Executive Leadership 2-day course that's coming out, and that's going to be led by Tim Diggs, and I'll be joining in on that one myself as well. So those are going to be some excellent new additions to our summit, and people are really going to have a great new year if they attend those courses and get some really good feedback from their management, really proactively driving TapRooT with audits. 2 really key things that are going to make 2022 a really excellent year.
Absolutely, I definitely agree. And in addition to the summit, we have something new as well. And it is our TapRooT University, where we have engineering students from 4 top engineering schools in the U.S. that are going to be joining us at the summit. So it's really exciting to also just see the rise in new leaders, new engineers, new people learning the TapRooT system. And so 2022 is going to be our best year yet. Definitely looking forward to it. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays, and we'll see you again soon.
See you in the new year.